If you want to add in your own videos, then you can use the video player section right over here in Wix ADI. So to add in a video section, I'm just going to click on add a new section button right here, and on the left side you see the video player right over here. So once you go on the video player, you have different layouts that you can choose from. So in my case, I'm just going to choose this one over here. Of course, we can change this later on if we don't like the view. So it says you have a video player, so I'm just going to say OK. So now over here to manage this out, I'm just going to click on manage, and there I can add in the video of my choice. So I'm just going to add in my tutorial video right over there. So it's opening up, it's loading as you can see. And over here, you get to your video library right over here. So here you'll be able to upload your videos. You can also bring them from Dropbox, Google Drive, or throw in a YouTube, Vimeo, or Facebook link right over here as well. So I'm just going to upload a video right from my computer right over here. I'm going to go into my documents where there's my video file right over here. So I'm just going to click on it and open that out, and the video will be uploaded onto my video library right over here. So it's uploading as you can see, which will take some time depending on your net connection speed right over here, and then it'll prepare the video to be compatible with the website, and then will be usable. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this, and then that's it. So once I select it, I can simply close this out, and then it'll be added out to the channel right over here. So let me just close this, and you'll be able to see that the video is there just like this. So now you can just play the video right over here as well. So if you were to go on to preview, so you can add in multiple videos over here as you can see. So I only have one. If I were to go to preview, then I'll have a video player right over here where I'll be able to view. So you can see that feature works only if your site is live or published as it says right over here. Anyways, you can search in the videos right over here. Like if you have multiple videos, then you can keep it over here as well. So let me just go back over here, and then let's see what other designs I have. So you can see that there's different thumbnail previews that I can work with. So I can have 2 thumbnails maybe, or even 4 thumbnails for different type of videos right over here. You can have number of rows, so maybe you can have 2 rows right over here. That will show up 2 rows over there. You can add in video info, sign in information as well, and so forth, as you can see, just like this. So now I'm going to go over to design right over here, and once I go into design, I can see different options that I can choose. For example, you can use a simple video layout like this one, or you can use something like this one as well, as you can see, where it is scrolling out and it is more interactive that way. So that is how you can work around with the video player section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.